dedicated enlisted reservist Private Annalyn M. Abaw. Abaw, isa si Abaw. Private Carlos Galura, si Big Boy. Most dedicated enlisted reservist calendar year 2024, Private Norland M. Nipay. Si Nipay na driver ni Direktor. Pag may biyahe si Direktor, drive ka ulit. Most dedicated enlisted reservist, Private Arlene Del Mundo. Nandito po ba, Del Mundo? Del Mundo. Most dedicated enlisted reservist calendar year 2024, Randy Gonzalez. Private Ryan Bernat, si RTB. Most dedicated enlisted reservist of the year, Private Perfecto Manahit Jr. Private Rodwin Emmanuel David. Wala. Doc Jerome Medina. David. Jerome Medina. Doc Jerome Medina. Wala. Private Mabel Rantilion, best admin and the most dedicated